Hey, what's up guys? My name's Joe. So today I thought it would be fun if we do some kind of experiment, all right? Now, I'm not really a chemist. Or am I a chemist? I guess we're gonna find out based on the results of today's video. So we had the idea to make like the ultimate hair product. What is the ultimate hair product? I think I figured out what it is. You take all of the products that you like, you melt them down, you pour them into a new pot, let that harden up, and then boom, you got the ultimate hair product. You like hold from this product, throw it in there. You like the texture from this product, throw it in there. Anything else, all these different products, put them together. Theoretically, we should be left with the ultimate hair product. So that's what we're gonna test out today. So as you can see here, we have a wide variety of hair products to choose from. So let's take a look at a couple of options. I think every hairstyle requires a pre-styler. Original by BluMaan, best pre-styler in the game, lightweight volume, lightweight is good as a pre-styler. Good hold, good control, stuff like that. That's going in the mixture. Also, I like strong hold. I promise we're gonna do stuff besides just BluMaan products as well. Cavalier, strongest hold in the game, according to myself. Also good amount of texture. Put it in the pot. Now, Josh had the recommendation of putting a little bit of styling cream in there. This should help to kind of smooth out the formula. I'm making everything up, by the way. Let's go ahead and throw in some styling cream as well. Matte paste. This is one that I really like from O'Dowd's. If I like it, it's going in the pot. So far, we've got 4 products. What? Right, we need a product that has a really good scent, right? Because we want our product, our final ultimate product, to smell really good. Let me take a whiff. It's good. I like the scent of flagship. To me, it's really overpowering. So if we use the right amount, we should be left with a gorgeous scent. I know everything else already has scents, so I don't know how this is gonna work, but we'll throw that in. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's pick one more product, and then we're gonna make the ultimate hair product. Actually, as some seasoning, we've got American Crew Boost Powder. We'll put in some of that, you know, like the salt on top of a dish. That doesn't count as the 5th product. Pomade is gonna help just make this a more of a natural shine product. That's what obviously we're going for. This one right here, this is Teddy Boy Anchors Away Teddy Boy Original. This is a water-based styling pomade. Go ahead, take a look. So this has some shine in it, and that's what we need to top everything off and make the ultimate hair product. Let's take this stuff, we're gonna go to the kitchen and brew ourselves an ultimate hair product. Don't fall. Whip it. Welcome to the kitchen. We've got everything we need, all the right ingredients right here, including a lovely British Clipper IPA. This is an experimental video. Let's just have a relaxed time, you know what I mean? What do we need? We'll melt it down. Now here's the idea, right? Most hair products, I'm guessing everyone except for the powder that we've got over here, starts in liquid form because they're all hot fills. They get poured into a container. When you pour them in the container, you leave them to sit. They dry up, become a solid again. After it's all melted and looks like it's all mixed in together nicely, we're gonna pour it out into a container, leave that to sit, and then we will test out that final product and see what we get. You wanna follow me to the containers? I'm on a leash, by the way. So everywhere I go, Josh goes.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right, we got the goods. Kitchen. So I bought these off Amazon. Got a bunch of empty containers. Perfect. Nice and see-through. We'll be able to see when it dries down. We'll be able to see when it's 100% ready. Let's hope that this goes according to plan. Once again, we're making the ultimate hair product. Cheers to that. Most hair products have some form of wax in them. They're typically wax-based. I have a bunch of wax beads. This is actually for a candle, but I'm thinking maybe to start this off, I'm gonna put a couple wax beads just to get a melted layer. So we're gonna take some wax beads, put a couple in here. We're gonna melt this down, and then we will get to the fun bit, add everything else in. It doesn't have ingredients, probably because it's just wax. Yeah, Josh made a good point. This is probably not like hair wax, right? It's going to be candle wax because it's made for candle. So I changed my mind. We're not going to use this anymore. Right. In that case, I think BluMaan, I know for sure that BluMaan has, yeah, beeswax is the second ingredient. This should melt down just fine. Actually, I'm going to add all of them in together before we turn the heat on. So, oh no, I'm going to ruin my nice circle design. Go ahead, squirt in some styling cream by V76. This is kind of like a suntan lotion consistency. Cavalier clay. This, of course, to add some extreme hold. That's nice. That's very nice. Next up, this is our scent product. This thing is a very strong scent. This is Flagship's Dead Sea Clay, so we're going for 2 clays. I think most of you know that I'm a fan of clays, so I don't see anything wrong with adding another clay to the mix. So we've done a styling cream. We've got 2 more. Here we go. This is a bit of our pomade. This is going to help hopefully add in some natural shine. I'm not wanting to get too much shine into this product, so actually that should be a good amount. And then O'Dowd's matte paste. All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. We'll start that off.
12 seconds later.
It's starting to melt down. Hey guys, this might actually work after all. Look at it, just looks like ice cream. So we just want to make sure that we don't burn anything, and I'm just going to make sure I keep stirring it around. Now's a good time to go ahead, throw in a little bit of boost powder. This is actually melting down way quicker than I thought it would. We've got some, I think the last 2 here is Cavalier and the Dead Sea Clay. These are the strong, like the thickest product out of the bunch, so I'm not surprised that that is taking some time to melt down. But so far, this is looking promising. If this can melt down, get all mixed together, and then harden back up, hopefully it will be a pretty decent product. And hopefully it will actually harden back up. We have a really smooth consistency. This is 6 different products all combined together in the same pot. I had no idea what to expect. So far, so good. And this room smells delicious. Okay, so that is completely 100% melted down. I think it's time to pour. One of the moments of truth. I don't think we have enough to actually fill this up, but that's fine. As long as we have enough to put in our hair. And I said that I'm not a chemist. This is chemistry at its finest, ladies and gentlemen. This actually smells really good. I did not know what to expect. We combined a bunch of different scents, some stuff that is super strong. That's very nice.
Very nice. Very nice.
It's like a little bit subtle, but there's definitely something there. And what's happening right now is it's actually starting to firm up. It's only been like a minute. So I'm guessing that this might take, have a look here. So it obviously still needs time. I'll show you guys what this looks like after it's firmed up. Hopefully it does firm up completely. All right guys, so we're back in the office now. I've got my ultimate product, at least hopefully it's gonna be the ultimate product. We're gonna find out here in a second. All right, so it's been about probably 45, 50 minutes since we've poured this stuff in here. And as you can see, this is kind of what it's looking like. So it's got a bit of a lightish brown color. It looks a little bit like a clay, which kind of makes sense since there are clay properties in here. So far, I'm actually pretty surprised by how well this plan has worked. Obviously, I haven't actually tried it yet, so we don't actually know yet. All right, guys, I am back with damp hair, and I am about to do something that I almost never do, which is blow dry my hair without using Original as a pre-styler, because we're gonna put this product to the test, see what it can do on its own. So nothing's in my hair, it's clean. I'm gonna blow dry it down. We're gonna finish off with that stuff, see what happens. So this is my hair, only blow dried. This is why I use a pre-styler, because my hair is very, just kind of meh. But that's fine, we're gonna go ahead, throw this stuff in. Let's do that right now, see what happens. So once again, scooping out, let's say that much, fingertip worth. I gotta say, I like how it feels when it breaks down. Feels really unique. probably because it's 6 products in one. And it smells really good too. So I gotta say, when we started this video, this was mostly just supposed to be kind of a joke just to see what happens. I didn't actually expect decent results. I'm kind of shocked by how well this actually, this feels like it could be its own product. I mean, maybe I'm just a really good chemist. I'm gonna try to describe it for you, might be a little bit challenging, but if you've ever used, like I was saying, a traditional clay, something that's a heavy clay, strong hold, lots of texture. This has a lot of those characteristics. Like, this feels like I just put a heavy clay in my hair, but the application, the breakdown, the way it feels in your hands, feels way creamier than those traditional heavy clay. In a lot of ways, I'm kind of getting the best of both worlds. I'm getting that creaminess and ease of application, but I'm feeling and seeing a lot of good hold, a lot of texture. So what can I say? I set out to combine a bunch of great products to make one really great product, and somehow I think that we succeeded. So hey, so if there's any other products that you guys want to see us here at BluMaan Laboratories combine together, leave them down below. We might make a part 2, see what other kind of products we can make. I think this was quite successful. Leave your comment down below with what you want to see see in the future, and winners. We've got some winner announcement for the Colton James Watch giveaway that we did last week. Our YouTube winner is right here, and our Instagram winner for the watch giveaway is right here. Congratulations to the 2 of you. We've reached out through DMs, so get back in touch and we'll send you your stuff. Thanks for participating. We'll see everybody next time.